The Woodmaster 3D Pro-Master T3 is a high-performance 5-axis CNC machining center designed for complex 3D woodworking applications. Equipped with a heavy-duty 14.4 kilowatts spindle and an automatic tool changer with up to 20 tools, the machine allows continuous machining without manual tool replacement, significantly improving productivity and accuracy. With simultaneous 5-axis movement, the Pro-Master T3 can process intricate shapes, curved surfaces, and detailed 3D components that are difficult or impossible for conventional CNC machines. High quality Yaskawa servo motors and the OSAI control system from Italy ensure smooth motion, stable operation, and precise positioning even at high speeds. The machine features a strong vacuum table powered by Eurovac pumps, providing reliable workpiece holding during heavy cutting operations. Premium electrical components from Shihlin and Teco enhance durability and long-term reliability. Ideal for furniture manufacturing, decorative carving, artistic wood products, and high-end custom woodworking. The Woodmaster 3D Pro-Master T3 is a powerful solution for manufacturers seeking precision, flexibility, and efficiency in modern CNC production.